How to recover LinkedIn account. Let's get started. Open your LinkedIn app. Here we go. Now tap on the option of Sign In. Tap on the option Forget Password. With that, you will land to this kind of page. Now over here, you have to type in email or phone number that is linked with your LinkedIn account. After you type in, tap on the option of Next. Now you will be receiving verification code in the email address that you have just entered. You have to type in that code over here. Let me check my mail. So you can see that I have received mail from LinkedIn. You will also receive similar kind of mail. You have to open it and this is the code. You can copy it and then paste it. After you are done, tap on Submit. From this page, you have to generate new password for your LinkedIn account. After you are done, you can tap on the option of Submit. And with that, your LinkedIn account will be recovered. So this is how you can easily recover your LinkedIn account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.